All right guys, so here in front of the room 122. This is an upgraded room, so it's a suite. So we got lucky because we booked standard room, so we got upgraded, so that's awesome. So with that said, let's go check it out. Now, I was going to say I apologize. We are literally checking out, so the room is not, you know, Taj Mahal clean. So we're checking out, but I wanted to show you the room before we did. So when you walk in, you have your coffee, tea, refrigerator. And one thing that I would say, the refrigerator is from 1985. It's a very old refrigerator. Now this is the room. Now it's actually a really big room. You have a desk right here. You have seating area right here. You can see we got a crib and plenty space for luggage. The view you get here, this is the view that you get right here. So you have a partial view of the Masjid An-Nabawi. During Friday prayer, this whole area gets filled up during Friday prayer. So seating area, plenty. 2 beds. The beds are on the smaller side, but you know, we got upgraded like I said, so can't complain. Regular room is pretty much, this is all you get right here, and 1 seat right here. None of the stuff here, you have that. So this is a much bigger room. 1 nice TV, smart TV, and there you go. Let's show you the bathroom. 1 sink and tub shower combo. So the shower here is actually really good. We really enjoy taking the shower here. The water pressure is really, really good. Overall, the hotel is really old. I mean, there is no sugarcoating it. It's an old hotel. Now, I do feel like they've kept up with it, they maintained it, but some of the stuff is just really old. It's got a lot of gold touch to it. I personally, as a millennial, don't like gold, but this is the only Hilton hotel in Medina. There's not another one like it. So I know there's a Hilton right here, and there's a IHG Intercontinental Hotel. Those are the 2 chains, familiar chains I've seen that are popular in US. So, but this is a room tour. Pleasant stay, pleasant space, very happy with it.